Real quick, I was thinking for the UI part, like if you had it build and then instead of worrying about a layout, you just have like a base layout with the web viewer, it could build the web interface for you, right? And then you don't need to have complex layouts or anything. You could just have it all
Very
happen through the web
true.
viewer.
You could tell it to do everything through a web viewer. I don't know if that gets more complicated or less, though, when from a diagnostic perspective, right? If you're logging into a solution and looking at a web viewer and you're trying to edit things, or the initial setup, since it can't do relationships between tables and you're having to manually configure those, maybe that's just a workflow change, like in like some mental training we would have to do on ourselves.
Yeah, just treating it like a SQL backend, really. That's what it is, right? Like,
Yeah.
So you're using FileMaker as a SQL backend, which for the web interface part of it, for a web viewer, that's what, there's a couple of different ways to approach it, but I can see awesome paths forward